Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to cut some bok choy from the garden and we'll make a nice soup with shrimps and tofu. For the bok choy, we need around 300 grams. Then we're going to wash them to make sure they are clean. First, take out some shallots and garlic, then chop them. If you have this little machine, it will take a few seconds. Next, take out 100 grams of shrimps, then peel off their skin. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt, then a quarter teaspoon of MSG, and finally a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Now chop finely the shrimps. After that, cut the bok choy in small pieces. Once done, take out 200 grams of tofu and cut them in small cubes. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced garlic and shallot. Fry them for a little bit. Then add 1 liter of chicken broth. Boil it for a few minutes, then add the shrimp piece by piece using a small spoon. Once done, gently add the tofu. Now add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Also 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Boil the whole thing. Then add the bok choy. And the last step, boil it again. And voila! Look at this tasty and very healthy soup. Bon appétit!